Hey everybody, so warmed up a little bit, so making a video for tomorrow, but for today, just to throw one out there, a friend asked me to put up a video that I put up probably about 10 years ago on a different channel I had. Me and Diana went for a ghost hunt in Fort Barrancas in Florida, and we had a good time, but somebody asked me about that video and I still had it, so I'm going to put it back up. I doctored it up a little bit, just did some more subtitles. In the video, you'll see us talking. We're trying to translate. There's a lot of stuff we didn't hear until we got back, so we don't talk about it in the video. But there's lots of words, lots of phrases. We transcripted what we could. If you guys hear something that you either hear it differently than we did, or at the time we didn't put anything up, we didn't talk about it. If you hear something, throw it up there. Let us know what they're saying. I mean, if we said it wrong, you tell us right. But yeah, it's a cool video. Lots of interaction. The first part's a little slow, but once they start talking and answering, it gets pretty interesting. So I hope you enjoy that. I'm working on a video for tomorrow, actually motorcycle related, but today it's just, this is what I got because, I don't know, man, it's Saturday, Sunday, and I'm a little bored. So I hope you like it, and well, tomorrow we'll have a good motorcycle video, but until then, you got this. See you tomorrow. Is there anything you'd like to say? Cheap. What's your name? What war did you fight in? Happy.
Are you happy? Yes?
Yes.
Turn up a little bit.
That's as far as it'll go.
What's your name? What's your name?
That's how it'll go.
I'm Diana.
You don't have to speak into this.
What?
What is your name? Lou? Where are you from? Did you die here or did you come back? Returned. Did you like this place?
Yes.
Yes. When were you here? Never been. How did you get here? Ocean.
Are you alone?
Were you a soldier or a sailor? Were you a doctor? Did you live here? Okay, pause it. What is your name?
Johnny?
Johnny. Did you die here? Here. Were you a soldier? Were you a soldier? Pikeman. How did you die? Is there something you'd like to tell someone? Who did you fight for? Spanish. Did you enjoy being a soldier? Do you like coffee? I have some. Please. Did you hear that? It's a very cold day today. Was it cold when you were here? Was it cold when you were here?
Yes.
Habla español. Sí. Parlez-vous français? ¿A dónde va? ¿A dónde iba a vivir?
Okay, Zach, calm down.
Did you eat here? What kind of food did you eat here?
Fish.
Fish. Do you like fish? He said deer too. That's what he said a while ago. No. Do you like deer better?
Giggle.
Would you rather have beef?
No.
That was a female.
Maybe it was one of the nurses.
Were you a nurse here? Yes.
What is your name?
Maya. Hello, Maya. Hold on. Hello. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? Repitan, por favor.
Something in Spanish. Bible?
Mago. Repitan, por favor. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Te gusta café?
Speak English.
¿Te gusta el arroz? Where are you now?